lately when I go to steal a kiss, I feel you pulling away. I know something is amiss, but what it is you won't say. If I've done something to upset you, believe me, that was never my plan. But how can I fix it standing out here in the cold? I'm a sensitive man. Oh yes I am. You don't always have to speak. You can say it with a look. And even across a crowded room, God, I can read it like a book. But other times when there's something on your mind, make it as plain as you can. Don't freeze me, baby, I'm no dinky-doo. I'm a sensitive man. I'm a sensitive man. You can hear that in my song. I'm a sensitive man. But first impressions could steer you wrong. Oh yes, and wop, bop, ba da, bop, ba da da, da da, bop, ba da 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 da. Sincerely, my one desire is to make you happy again, but I can't begin till you let me back in. I'm a sensitive man. I'm a sensitive man. You can hear that in my song. I'm a sensitive man. But first impressions, those first impressions, first impressions might well steer you wrong. Oh, oh. Sensitive man, out in the cold, trying to do good.